how to remove Renault Twingo wing mirror. So you've got this little cover on the inside. Basically, if you can't get behind it, you can just use a little screwdriver. It's just sat in with some little push clips that kind of just go into the gap. I'll show you in a second. So you just kind of move it out. It's just gently pushed in, so it's not a problem. These little tabs here, they just sit into these, so it's not kind of like a normal metal clip. You just literally get something behind it and just gently pull it forward. And then you've just got these bolts here on the inside. So you've got one there, you've got one there, and then you've got one there on the inside as well. So you've just got those three. I'm just going to remove those now. So as you can see, I've removed these two here. I'm just removing this last one. Just be careful when you remove the last one that you don't let the mirror drop. And then literally just give it a little wiggle on the outside. Just check if there's a clip inside here. Shouldn't be. That's it, so just give it a wiggle. And then now just can pull it through, hopefully. Yeah, and then you should end up with this, obviously. Take your new mirror. Here's one I prepared earlier. And then hopefully it's going to just fit straight in. Let's see. That's my hole. Just try and line up the tabs. So it's actually going to be easier to do it with the door closed. And then we just push it through. That's the bolts just put back in. It's an 8mm, or there is option for a Torx sort of screw in there. Basically just clip this back on, just make sure you line the lugs up on the back like that, and then it should just be a gentle push back in, and that's it, job done. Much better. So that's the new mirror just pushed into place. Okay, and then obviously we've got to put our screws back on, and then we've got to put that trim panel back on as well.